Pinoy talents. Anyway, is your album, is it out in the market, Lara? Sabi mo siya,
available in all record bars. Almost in all record bars.
Yes. Ayan, sabi kasi ni Miss Fee, no more time na daw. So, meron ka pa bang gustong i-plug? May mga shows ka ba?
We have a gig tonight nga pala. Pero, we'll be in Jordan, tsaka UK and Europe, and the Middle East.
Ikaw lang, Kitchen with your band.
Watch out.
Okay.
Just
with your band. So, meron kang next album?
Ito pa lang yung pinapromote namin.
Okay, ang title ulit? Kitchen Nadal, Love Letters.
Love Letter.
Okay, thank you.
Para sa'yo yan.
Oo nga. Diyan, mga compilation.
Kinuha mo na eh.
Okay. Kitchen, coming shows dito sa Pilipinas, meron ba?
Just check out our websites, kitchinadal.net and .com.
Okay, ang ganda na Kitchen. Bagets na bagets. Okay, ito na po, inaabangan natin. Please welcome, Miss Kitchen Nadal. Kitsi, thank you. Anong bagong gising? Okay, ganda ka. Anong gising lang si Kitsi. Puyat. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Kitsch sa baba. Okay.
Under the skin? Yeah.
Ito, ang kapamilya sa baba. Proud eh. Okay. Alright. Ito na ang ating
question.
Malang biday ba daw?
Mali. Parang biday is wrong. Okay, kung alam ni Kitsi, okay na?
Waray.
Is correct. Waray. Pag nakanta ni Kitsi to, pasok ka na.
Oh my gosh. Okay, sing it!
Waray. Walang upas.
Ikaw.
It's been a hard day's night.
It's wrong.
Kitchen.
Okay, meron kang chance, kids. Music, please! Go!
Hard day's night.
Hard day's night. Pasok ka na, Kitsi! Is correct. 20,000 cash. Bigay sa iyo ng Wabi Joker. Thank you very much. Again, maraming salamat sa ating mga hitmakers. Ba't lalayo pa kayo? Pumunta na kayo, mga kamamilya. Mag-picnic na kayo. Mag-party na kayo sa Amana Water Park. Siyempre po, dyan po Amana Water Park sa bagong baryo, Pandi, Bulacan. That's right. Meron silang 30 waves. Sama niyong pong pamilya para mag-enjoy kayo. Parang wala kayo sa Pilipinas. Parang nasa Boracay daw kayo. Sa lahat ng gusto mag-enjoy tonight o gabi-gabi, Punchline, Lapline at Metro Bar lang ang dapat yung puntahan. Saan ka pa? Tuloy-tuloy yan sir. Nandun si Chocolate, Vice Ganda. Andiyan pa mga galing. Sila Apu, kung sino, si Eric, si Toko, si Lassie. Kaya dyan kayo magpunta. At siyempre, maglalaba ka ba? Isa lang ang dapat nabili mo, ang Surf! That's right! Sa promo po ng Surf.
Alright, ayusin na natin to. Anong gusto mo? 10,000, 20,000. 20,000, you can fix it. Ayan, ikaw. Ayan, 20. Okay, let's move on to the next. Kitchi, ayan, with Luning Nick. Ayusin, anong gusto mo? Times 5, times 2. Times 5. Okay, alright. Dito naman tayo. Alright, ayusin natin. Anong gusto mo? Times 1 divided by 2 times 5. Grand negosyo. Times 5. Okay, let's go, Kitchi, because it's puzzle time. Ayun, thank you so much Milagring, Mariposa, and Luningning. Ayan, malalaman na natin kung makuha mo ang 20,000 or 10,000. Will it be 20,000? Sana 20 and 10,000. That's okay. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, sana makuha mo na yung times 5 na gusto mo. Times 5, times 5, please. Times 5, yay! You have 50,000 pesos. Yay! So Kitchi, at this point, you already have 50,000 pesos. Pwede ka nang mag-go home kung sapat na yun sa'yo. Pero if you decide to go, buksan natin to, pwede pa yan mag-times 5. Pero pwede mo rin makuha yung grand negosyo, pwedeng times 1, pwede rin divided by 2. Sabi ng friends mo, go daw. Pero ang importante, yung gusto mo. So I'm going to ask you, go home or go?
Go. Just go. Yeah.
Go home or go?
Go.
Yay! Go daw! Alright! Go! Okay, go! Tama ba ang desisyon? Divided by 2, aray! That's okay! Congratulations! You still have 45,000 pesos! Congratulations! Thank you so much! Kitchi, wag po kayong alis dahil magbabalik pa ang programa nyo ang